Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is just a video of a teardown of an old Bluetooth speaker I have. So I just started off taking it on the bottom, and on the next clip I'm just going to show you the inside of it. So here we go. Alright, so I unscrewed everything. It took me a while, but we got there. So these are the two main parts that I really should be showing. So here you have the speakers with the magnets, and you have the speaker itself with two cords cut off. Well, four cords cut off, just the purpose of you guys being able to show. So these are connected to power up these speakers, and there's ports. If I flip this around, you also see the ports that this used to be on and off, but it's nothing now. The aux port, the SD port, and also the power port, so you can charge your thing. So yeah, I'm gonna put that aside. Next is the actual top part of it. So it still works on top. So if I just flip this around, you have the lithium battery right there. It still works. We just want to see how long it could do. These are the four buttons I just touched. You also have the ports, so the SD card, the aux, the on and off switch, and also the power thing. This is the status light. So, and this is the main board. I don't know too much about it, but just wanted to give you guys a quick thing. I just tear down of this Bluetooth speaker. So this is what kind of looks like in a Bluetooth speaker. You usually have a lithium battery, to rechargeable, very portable, very small. And yeah, so just that's how big the board is. So this is what you may see if you open up lithium Bluetooth speaker. Different products vary, but this is a general look of what you see. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See ya!